Just a quick video here. Now I don't work with mini splits or anything like that. In fact, I'm an auto detailer, but if you have one of these units, split system heat pump, and you run into the issue of the system shutting down on you every so often, and you get that blinking light over here, and it blinks like either 2 times and pauses, and then 2 times and pauses, or it blinks 5 times and pauses, and then another 5 times, and then you look at what that means, and it tells you that it's the thermal setter, which is the temperature sensing unit, one for the inlet, one for the outlet. So obviously you have to remove this plastic thing. I ain't gonna do it. You guys can figure that one out. It's very easy. And so my son went through all the effort and changed those units out, and still it would run sometimes in just 5 minutes and shut down. We turn it off and redo it again. Sometimes it would stay running, sometimes it wouldn't. So it's just a nightmare, and it still kept giving us the same issue. And now the system is charged. We added Freon or whatever that thing is called. What ended up being is this little dumb thing. This is a drain pan level sensor, a DPLS2. And this is like an afterthought. You see how much wire there is? It's all wound up that way. So this thing goes right here on the inside. So you got the power lines that goes right here behind this plate. And then you got this part right here with the sensor that goes in the pan over here. Now without the plastic you'll be able to see it. So all you gotta do, remove this, unplug this whole thing. This is, like I said, this is not part of the system. Mitsubishi decided to do it after they had designed this, and they realized, oh yeah, we screwed up. So they came out with this dumb thing. It's glued, I mean. And that goes on the inside. Just rip it all off, disconnect the connections, and look how much cable there is in there. And you don't need that much. You only need not even that much. It's incredible. So anyways, disconnect that. We did that, and guess what? The system hasn't stopped working. So it's been over 24 hours and running cold, temperature cold. Do yourself a favor before you go changing those temperature sensor things. Just remove, if your unit has one of these dumb things, disconnect it, pull it all out. It's ridiculous, and it's gonna work just fine. Keep your drain pipes clean, and you don't have to worry about it. So I'm just saying, I'm 99%, and I say I'm 99% sure because I did this to my bedroom unit, and I also did it to the one in the living room. I ripped them off at the same time, and they're both working because they both were having the same issue. So 99.999% that it will fix your problem. Exactly, don't get ripped off. Mitsubishi knows that's the issue with these units, and they will not tell you that. They know that problem, they just won't tell you. They just want you to throw money away. Take this dumb thing off. I hope this helped you, all of you people that are having problem with this system shutting off. If you like this video, you better like and subscribe. I'm looking for subscriber, almost at 1,000 subscribers. Come on, who's gonna be 1,000? All right, never mind.